Enter the Zontes GK200, the bike that doesn't just roll onto the street. It struts in like the new kid at school who already knows karate. Think of it as Bruce Lee in motorcycle form. Small frame, big punch, and a stare that says, "Go on, test me." Inside, you've got a 198 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, liquid-cooled, Bosch fuel-injected, and tuned like a ninja sharpening his blade. With 16.1 kilowatts at 9,000 revolutions per minute and 19 newton-meters at 7,000, this thing doesn't roar like a lion. It snaps like a cobra to 137 kilometers per hour. Quick, precise, and lethal if you underestimate it. Steel backbone frame, 1,360 millimeters wheelbase, and a 795 millimeters seat height. It's like slipping into Iron Man's Mark I suit. Rugged, balanced, and surprisingly comfortable. At 160 kilos with a 17-liter tank, it's not just a city sprinter, it's a long-haul sidekick ready for your weekend escape. Stopping power? Dual discs with ABS front and rear. That's basically having Spider-Man's reflexes built into your wheels. Suspension? Telescopic forks up front, monoshock at the back. Like riding with a personal stunt double smoothing out the bumps. Tires? 110/70-17 front, 140/70-17 rear. Grippy enough to make you feel like you're glued to the road. Now here's where the GK200 goes full Tony Stark. Full LED lighting that makes it look like it's wearing an Iron Man helmet. A digital TFT dash with multiple themes. Basically your own gaming HUD. And dual fast-charging USB ports. That's right, while your mate's phone dies at 12%, you're juicing up like Thor's hammer plugged into a wall socket. Oh, and keyless ignition, because turning a key is for peasants. So, the Zontes GK200 isn't just a bike, it's a character. The scrappy underdog in a martial arts flick who wipes the floor with the big guys. Stylish, tech-packed, and sipping fuel like a monk sipping tea. If Batman had to commute on a budget, this would be parked in the Batcave. If you enjoyed this ride-along, smash that like button, subscribe for more motorbike tech adventures, and tell me in the comments, which superhero do you think the GK200 is channeling?